how to contact Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can contact Shein, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to contact Shein, it's actually quite simple to do so. Go ahead and first of all make sure to launch a Shein shopping application here. Once you launch a Shein app over here, you want to make sure to just tap the me icon from the bottom right of the screen. As you tap the me icon from the bottom right, what you basically want to do is just tap the little gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then you'll come to the settings page, where what you need to do is just look for this option known as connect to us, and then just tap on the connect to us option. Now you can simply connect with them on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter or YouTube in order to successfully go ahead and then contact them as well. If you'd like to contact them directly, what you can basically try to do is you can basically open your browser and then just go ahead and then type in contact and then type in Shein. Once you type in Contact Shein on your browser, you should be able to see the customer service link. You can go ahead and then open that out. Once you go ahead and open the customer service, you should be able to go ahead and then talk to a live agent in order to go ahead and then talk to Shein. This way you can contact Shein. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.